Hi guys, and today I'm gonna teach you some sorry about that. Hi guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to install Disney Infinity, and I'll show you how to select it. First you're gonna do, go to the Google and search it Disney Infinity. After that, click this Disney Infinity. Did you get click that? Click that, and after that, you on here now. And now you're gonna do click this download this game. Click download this game. I'm sorry, I not click the download this game because I have this Infinity. And after you download that, and make account, first you're gonna do is your birthday is November, and my date is 20, and I'm 2006, and continue with that. See, 2006. After that, make some account, and after you make some account, go on your Disney Infinity. Go to your Disney Infinity. After you go to the Disney Infinity, you're gonna, and after you log in it, you're gonna go over here and click play and some play you want. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching to the Disney Infinity, how to make some account and download. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna say to you bye. Please like it and submit. Bye.